In this video, we are going to review how to submit your recertification application. We will go ahead and do the CNOR application for recertification. I will click on the eyeball icon here to view the application. Once you open up the application, you will see each component of the eligibility requirements that you must complete in order to recertify. So first, we will go ahead and start with the RN license. You can add a new license, or if you already have your license reported, you can select that license and submit. Then we'll go ahead and click on the eye icon for the work experience. Since I have no work experience, we'll go ahead and add a new one. Fill out all of your employment details. Click Next. Make sure that if it is your current place of employment, you click Yes. Provide the employment timeline accordingly, and then enter your average hours per week. Go on to Next. Finish up entering your work details and click Submit. Now the work experience will show up so you can select it. If it meets the eligibility requirements, you will get the green checkboxes. Submit your selected experience. Now we will report our professional points activities. You can click on any of the activities that you have reported that meet the eligibility requirements. As you click them, you will have this progress circle that will show you how close you are to reaching the required 300 points. Once you have 300 out of 300 points, you can then submit the selected activities. Now, the last thing that's needed is the payment. You are going to confirm that you meet all eligibility requirements and that you agree to the terms and conditions. To view the terms and conditions, click on the hyperlink. Make sure you read carefully through this because you are attesting that you agree with all of these terms and conditions. Once you click Agree, you can sign your name and pay the $400 for recertification. The payment page will appear, and you can type in your credit card information. Once you have entered your payment information, go ahead and submit. If your application is selected for audit, this will pop up. If it does not pop up, then your application has successfully been approved. Thank you for watching.